question for you. Is the number 2,90,435 divisible by 3? But wait, you have to say it without dividing. In this video, we will be learning few tricks of divisibility rules. So keep watching. Now let us start with divisibility rule of 1. We know that all numbers are divisible by 1, isn't it? Now let's move on to the next number, which is 2. If the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, in simple words, any even number, that means the number is divisible by 2. Now let us look at few examples. The first example is 1748. We have to look at the last digit. The last digit is 8. So, as it is an even number, it is divisible by 2. And the next number which we will be looking at, the next example, is 1243. Look at the last digit. It is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Let's move on to the next number, which is 3. The next number is 3. If the sum of all the digits in the particular number is a multiple of 3, then it is divisible by 3. Let us look at the first example. We are going to add all the numbers. As the number 12 comes in 3 tables and it is a multiple of 3, so the number 2460 is divisible by 3. So the next example which I have taken is this number. Now we are going to add all the digits. So friends, the number 24 comes in 3 tables. So the number 3,46,281 is divisible by 3. In the next divisibility rule we will be learning about is the divisibility rule of 4. For the divisibility rule of 4, we need to check the last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits is a multiple of 4, that means the number is divisible by 4. Now let us look at few examples. The first example is at number 2118. We need to check the last 2 digits, which is the number 18. So, is the number 18 a multiple of 4? No, it is not a multiple of 4. So, the number 2118 is not divisible by 4. Now, let us look at the next example, which is 1224. We need to check the last 2 digits. This is the number 24. So, number 24 is multiple of 4 and number 1224 is divisible by the number 4. Let us look at the next divisibility rule of 5. For 5, it is very easy. If the number ends with 0 or 5, that means the number is divisible by 5. Let us look at few examples. So friends, the number 1052 ends with 2, so it is not divisible by 5. Next, the number 1200 ends with 0, so it is divisible by 5. Next, it is the divisibility rule for 6. In the divisibility rule of 6, the given number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Now let us look at few examples. The first example is 208. Now, we are first finding out whether it is divisible by 3. So, I am adding 2 and 8. 10. Does 10 come in 3 tables? It doesn't come in 3 tables. The last number 8 is an even number. It comes in 2 tables. As I said before, the number 208 should be divisible by both 2 and 3. But over here, the number 208 is only divisible by 2 but not by 3. So, the number 208 is not divisible by 6 also. Now, let us take the next number, which is 417. The last digit, which is 7, does not come in two tables or it is not an even number. As I told before, the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Over here, it's not divisible by 2, so we don't need to check whether it's divisible by 3. So we can directly write it as it is also not divisible by 6. So next is the divisibility rule of 7. For finding the number whether it is divisible by 7 or not, we need to double the last digit and subtract it from the leftover digits. Now let us look at an example. The number 805. We need to double this digit, which turns into 10. So we need to subtract 10 from 80. Now 70. 70 comes in 7 tables, so it is a multiple of 7 and the number 805 is divisible by 7. Now let us look at the next example, which is 4192. Now let us double the last digit and make it into 4. So now I got this number, but I'm not sure whether it comes in 7 table or not. So I'm going to repeat the steps again. Now I'm going to double this and make it into 10, and I'm going to subtract 10 from 41. So the number 4192 is not divisible by 7. Next, we are going to be looking at the divisibility rules of 8. The divisibility rule of 8, it is same as 4, but the only difference is we need to take the last 3 digits. Now let us look at few examples. Now we need to take the last 3 digits and see whether it is a multiple of 8. Yes, 824 is a multiple of 8, so the number 5,19,824 is divisible by 8. Now let's move on to the next number, which is 9. The divisibility rule of 9 is similar to the divisibility rule of 3. The sum of all the numbers, if it is a multiple of 9, then it is divisible by 9. Let's add all the digits and find whether it is a multiple of 9 or not. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 equals to 7. 7 does not come in 9 tables. So it is not a multiple of 9. So the number 2113 is not divisible by 9. Now let's move on to the next number, which is 10. For 10, it is very easy. If the number ends with 0, that means it is divisible by 10. Let us look at an example. Now here I have taken the number 1030. It is ending with the number 0. So it is divisible by 10. So friends, do you remember the question I asked in the beginning of the video? Is the number 2,90,235 divisible by 3 or not? Let's find it out now. We need to add all the digits and find the sum and see whether it comes in 3 tables or not. So friends, the number 22 is not a multiple of 3. So the number 2,19,235 is not divisible by 3. And hope you have understood what divisibility rules are. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to keep me motivated to make more such fun videos. Till then, let's play, explore, learn and grow together. Bye!